Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about polar dielectric, non-polar dielectric and reduced value of electric field. Now first I am discussing about non-polar dielectric. Non-polar dielectric means the dielectric in the atoms or molecules in which the center of positive charge, center of gravity of positive charge and the center of gravity of negative charge coincide. माने positive charge and negative charge coincide with each other, and due to which there is no dipole moment, electric dipole moment. What I have said? A dielectric in the atoms or molecules in which the center of gravity of positive charge and negative charge coincide, and so there is no separate positive charge or negative charge, and so there is no electric dipole moment, like this way. This one and say positive charge, negative charge. There's center of gravity of positive charge and negative charge at the same point. This is not separate. For example, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, CO2, these are non-polar dielectric. Non-polar dielectric means the dielectric in the atoms or molecules whose positive charge, center of gravity of positive charge and negative charge coincide. So there is no separation between the positive charge and negative charge, and so this is the non-polar. There is no pole, there is non-polar, and since there is no separate positive charge, negative charge, so there is no dipole moment, electric dipole moment. Okay, example, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, these are the example of non-polar dielectric. This is non-polar. And polar dielectric, polar dielectric means the dielectric in the atoms or molecules whose center of gravity of positive charge and negative charge are separate. There is a certain distance between the center of gravity of positive charge and negative charge. This is the polar. That means there is pole. Pole means positive charge and negative charge separate. So this is the polar dielectric. So it has permanent electric dipole moment. Polar dielectric means a dielectric in the atoms or molecules in which the center of gravity of positive charge and center of gravity of negative charge are separate, and so there is permanent electric dipole moment. For example, its figure will be like this way. Say this is negative charge, this is positive charge, this is separate. Okay, example is H2O, NH3, HCl. These are the example of polar dielectric. So this is non-polar dielectric, this is polar dielectric. Here you see positive, negative combined together. Here positive charge, negative charge separate, and so there is electric dipole moment, there is no electric dipole moment. Clear? Now I am going to discuss about polarization, and there will be another topic, polarization. 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 Polarization means it is explained in two ways. In case of polar dielectric, in case of non-polar dielectric. Suppose there is a non-polar dielectric, and if it is placed in a external electric field, then what will happen? It will be seen that, suppose this is a dielectric, and its atoms are like this way. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. And say this is positive charge, this is negative charge. And due to this external electric field external electric field is this one. Due to this external electric field, what will happen? The atoms or molecules will stretch, and due to which it will be like this way. It will be like this way. It will be stretched. So this is electric field, and so the negative charge will be towards the positive plate, and this will be this is called the polarization. The stretching of the atoms or molecules along the direction of the external electric field is called the polarization. This is in case of non-polar dielectric. Non-polar. Here you see there is no pole, no pole, no pole, no pole, and these are stretched, and so the negative charge will be towards the positive end, and positive end, so this in this direction, and positive end will be towards the negative end, and this alignment is the polarization. And in case of polar dielectric, what will happen? This is before electric field, this is before electric field here, and after electric field applied, and before electric field applied, this is after electric field applied. This is in case of non-polar. See clearly. Okay. In case of non-polar, before applying electric field, after applying electric field. This alignment is the polarization. In case of polar, what will happen? The atoms are haphazardly aligned, like this I say, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, like this way. Positive, negative. This is where external field is there is no field, there is no field, there is no field, so no field, yes, okay, no field applied. Now electric field is 0. External field is not applied. This is polar. Yes, polar. Pole, there is pole, positive, negative, separate, separate. Now external field is applied. Say this is positive, this is negative. Electric field will be in this direction, external field. It is not seen, so I draw polar. I am drawing here polar. Electric field, external field equal to 0. So this is haphazardly arranged. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Now external field is applied. External field is applied. So this is positive, negative. So electric field will be in this direction. Clear? Now, due to this external electric field, these molecules or atoms will align along the direction of the external field. So, this is positive, this side will be negative, this side will be positive. Negative, positive. Negative, positive. Negative, positive. Negative, positive. Negative, positive. Negative, positive. So this is also polarization. This is in case of non-polar. This will stretch. In case of polar, it will not stretch. It will only align themselves along the direction of the external electric field. This is called the polarization. Okay. Now a reduced value of electric field. A reduced value of electric field. Suppose now reduced value of electric field. Suppose external electric field is applied in this direction, all the molecules are aligned in the direction, and due to which what is happening, its left side is negative, right side is, this is suppose dielectric. And what we are seeing, its left side, this side is negative, this side is positive, and due to which there will be an external electric field, there will be an field due to polarization. This is called the EP. This is in this direction, external field in this direction. So inside this, what is the net electric field? E naught minus EP. This is called the reduced value of electric field. Clear? What I have done? This is the external electric field in this direction, and a dielectric is placed here, and due to the presence of this dielectric, its atoms will align inside like this way. So many atoms, I am just negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Since it's in this dielectric, this side is negative, this side is positive. So what will happen? An electric field will arise which is in this direction, positive to negative. So this is called the electric field due to polarization. Electric field due to polarization. Okay. So what will be the net electric field inside the dielectric? This is E naught, in this direction E naught, this is greater, minus EP. So inside this dielectric, electric field is reducing and this is denoted by E. So this is called the reduced value of electric field. E equal to E naught minus EP. Okay. Now we have got dielectric constant in the earlier. Now dielectric constant can be by specific inductive capacity, can be denoted by like this way also. This is the ratio of the external electric field to the internal electric field, reduced value of electric field. This is the ratio of dielectric constant is the ratio of external electric field to the reduced value of electric field. Dielectric constant or specific inductive capacity can be defined as the ratio of external electric field to the reduced value of electric field. Okay, clear? By